Okay, looking at y equals mx plus b. As you look at it with an idea of word problems, okay? So let's take a simple one. How much will it cost if gas cost $1.90 per gallon? Okay, so how much will it cost if I buy 10 gallons, 20 gallons, or 30 gallons? Okay, first of all, we need to look at what it is. If we look at it as a y equals mx plus b, first of all, this part doesn't exist because we only have one cost. We don't have any other cost besides that. That cost at $1.90 per gallon is a repeated cost. So therefore, y is the word for cost. So cost is equal to $1.90 times x. And x stands for the number of gallons. So therefore, how much will it cost if I buy 10 gallons? So $1.90 times 10 is going to equal $19. How much will it cost if I buy 20 gallons? So $1.90 times 20 is going to equal $38. And $1.90 times 30, because that's the next one they want to know, is going to equal what? Well, let's see. It's going to be 3 times that is 27, 2, 3, 5. How about $57? So it's going to cost $19 for 10 gallons, $38 for 20 gallons, and $57 for 30 gallons. So as you can see, you can figure out things by knowing the equation that it's going to use. Okay, so this is when you have just one cost. Nothing else is influencing it. But now let's look at a case where that's not true, that we have more than that. So let's look at another word problem. And as we go into this one, I want you to keep in mind that when we look at that y equals mx plus b, my y is going to be my total cost. My x will be the number of items, whatever it is. B is a one-time cost, and M is your repeated cost. Okay? So that explains what each one of those letters represent. Now, let's look at a problem. Rental of a car. You call the dealer. The dealer says you have an upfront cost of $70. And then you're going to pay $50 per day for every day you rent the car. Okay? So X is going to be my number of days that I rent the car. What is my one-time cost? This one is my one-time cost. It's my upfront cost, which is my one-time cost. $50 per day, $50 is your repeated cost. So, let's put it into our equation. Y is going to say cost is equal to my M is my repeated cost, so this is 50 times X, which is the number of days you're going to rent the car, plus my one-time fee of $70. Although we don't need those symbols right now. We'll do this one. Okay? So, how much is it going to cost if I rent the car for 5 days? And how much will it cost if I rent the car for 10 days? Well, let's see. 50 times 5 plus 70. Well, that's 250 plus 70 is going to be $320. Okay, how much will it cost if I rent it for 10 days? Well, 50 times 10 plus 70 is going to be 500 plus 70 is equal to $570. So you can see how you can use this. Your y is the total cost. Your slope, or the m, is your repeated cost. X is the number of items or days or miles or whatever it is that's you're counting the number of. And b is your one-time cost. So identify what is the one-time cost, identify what is the repeated cost, and you will be able to figure out these word problems by getting your equation first and then plugging in the values for the x that they want you to use. Okay, good luck, have fun.